Don't get out and fly. All of us, please. Come on.
Wait.
No, it's too late. You're behind.
I want to go home and go to the fireplace and build a fire.
Where's your plane? Anybody flying with plane?
I want to fly the F-22s with you guys, but apparently I'm too slow.
Mike,
You can, just don't be paranoid.
Why?
I don't have one.
Fucking Spectrum.
I don't have one easily accessible.
Oh, for crying out loud. Hurry up.
Shumbibbledop. It's not a word.
The snow just looks weird to me. I've never seen it there.
Yeah, and it's not.
It's usually on the mountains over there.
Stand back 20 feet.
Probably an inch thick.
No, you should have seen it earlier. It was all the hill was
White?
was white.
How much do you think there is?
Oh, I don't know.
Let's go.
Not that much.
What happened?
On Thursday there was a lot.
Why?
He said long story. We don't have time.
It's not a long
He said long story. We don't have time.
It's one of those days where I annoy Ray.
I'd really like to fly sometime today.
That's your fault. You started flying it.
Because I've got an F-22 I want to fly too.
Are you going to do...
Dad, Lablet!
Are you going to fly the Hornet that night?
No. I'm just going to get a couple more flights and be done. I might be able to fly the Hornet. You brought your F-18?
I haven't flown today and I'm not going.
Okay.
Why?
I don't like bringing planes and not flying them. I think I've flown everything.
Go!
I'd like to fly sometime today.
Hurry up!
I'm the only hawk? I'm the only hawk?
Yeah, no one likes Hawks.
Look, don't run in the mud.
Come on, man, boys, let's do this.
Where's your mama?
Oh, shit. Oh, wait.
How come it's just me, you,
Go.
Sia wearing pants?
Go, Ray, go, Ray, go.
Oh, shit.
How can you go?
How can you see the plane?
Our battery's not fully charged!
It's more than enough. Barrel roll. Do a barrel roll.
I hope it's,
Jesus Christ. Max is standing all in front of me.
Ray, I'm coming.
Ah! 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 Wow! What is this? Oh God. This is nuts.
It's better when you can't see.
Maybe if I hit the pilot it'll be better. Ah!
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I turned tighter because I know you guys can't do it.
Oh, really? Hold on. What? Where are you? I'm full elevator.
Whoa! What was that?
That was me. I'm sorry.
It's alright. It's okay.
It wasn't that Max, where are you?
I'm making a lot of scared noises, but I'm all good.
Oh!
Whoa! Hawk a Havoc time! Whoa!
Ready?
Whoa! Ah!
Where are these guys? Oh, I'm no power.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Why is everyone going the opposite direction?
Oh God!
Let's do it that way.
Oh God! Oh!
Get Ray, he's trying to escape the truck.
I'm escaping all the craziness. Leave me alone.
30
Where's
seconds.
Ray? Get him. My battery's not charged.
Oh jeez, who's that? Go away! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I have to hide! Ah! Okay, who's this one right down here?
That's me. Go fast on the right. Hey, go away!
5,
Go fast from the right!
2,
Go fast on the left. No!
time expired.
Oh God!
Yeah, Revenge! Let's go!
Come on in. Oh, now this is okay.
Okay, I gotta land.
Me too. Everybody land all at once.
Oh, Ray, we gotta do F-22.
Yes, right now. I haven't flown mine in so long.
Gear down.
I'm coming.
I'm actually landing it right now. Max, I'm right behind you.
Sounds good.
Okay, whatever you guys
I'll
do.
be last. I'll be last, Ray. You go. All right, I'm down.
Oh, fuck, that was bad. I missed the runway altogether.
Wait, what? I'm gonna be on your ass.
Come on.
Oh!
Oh, fuck.
Nice one.
Did I miss the runway?
Nice one.
I missed the runway.
You missed the runway like I did.
I'm not fixing your plane again.
You did the same thing I did. You did the same thing I did. I guess our eyes are old.
Watch this.
Hurry up and land, weirdo. My God, that was crazy.